Okay, well, I think it's appropriate time to go ahead and get started. Thank you all for joining us this morning. Morgan Booth here with Kinetech. So we'll just go ahead and get started. Today we are going to be focusing on how to submit multiple orders under the same project, as well as the DIRT chargeback process. So like everything with Kinetech PM, it's going to be very intuitive and very user-friendly, but we just want to make sure that everybody's comfortable with all the new modules that we added and new functionality. Be sure to submit any questions that you guys have through the chat feature found on the Join Me toolbar. Everybody's on mute, so I can't hear you. Obviously, you can hear me. And then this session is being recorded, and I'll be sure to share it out, or we will share it out to all our users next week. And if you have any requests on any further webinars that you guys would like to see, please send us an email either directly to myself or in Chargebacks. Just one more time. I go to Project Management, and then I go over to my Chargeback tab. This is where I can create a new chargeback. I can add anybody to my team that needs to know about this chargeback, so I'm going to add myself and then my DIRT PM. I'm going to go down to the chargeback details where I can add multiple chargeback details. So I have a PID number that maybe isn't associated to a description. I'm going to say it was 5 hours at $80 an hour. But for this next detail, I'm actually going to say that this is related to a deficiency. And notice it immediately pulled in my PID number for me. That's on that deficiency, so I don't have to sit here and look for that. Just going to insert a description, and then I'm going to say it was 7 hours at $45 an hour. So it's still providing me my chargeback total cost down here. If I have any additional details. So a couple things I can do from here. I can definitely relate a document. So if I have a PDF, and then I can either just go ahead and create my chargeback form just for my reference if I wanted to. But more importantly, I need to submit this to DIRT. It's done, it's prepared, I filled out all my important details. My DIRT PM needs to process this so I can get my money. So I'm going to go ahead and send this email off to DIRT. And now you'll see that it is submitted. It is no longer unidentified. I will sign in as a DIRT PM to take a look at the identified, the 1022. This is the one that I just sent off. I'm going to go ahead and say I don't even need to look at this. I'm just going to approve it. And by doing so, I can just quickly sign my name, save it. Then if I go to my approved here, I can actually just go ahead and send off this email. And when I send the email, again, after it's approved, it comes in as a PDF. So if I sign back in as a distribution partner, again, I can see the various statuses of identified, the ones that have been submitted, so it's no longer submitted, it's sitting in my approved. And then once I understand that, or once I know I have been reimbursed, I just click this little box saying, yep, I've been paid back, and I can save it.